We are at Carlisle Chevrolet Buick GMC. You're going to want to call about this one, 972-938-8000. This is the all-new Chevy ZR2 2022. This one's had a lot of ads. Special exhaust, turbocharger. It's got a keypad added on the door. It's special. It's ramp worthy. It's up on the pylons. Give us a call today, 972-938-8000. Shop us at carlislegm.com. If you're looking for the biggest beast from the west to the east, this might be it. This thing will burn rubber running down the road, already going 50 miles an hour. Call us now, 972-938-8000.